So I got this new hoover from Asda for 45 quid, and it's pretty amazing. I'm going to show you it sucking up this. This is a perfect hoover for my rat room. And hello boys, and here we go. It does fill a little quickly, but the fact that it sucks up so well is pretty awesome. Now I just need to empty up. You've got to remember that these hoovers aren't really designed to actually go picking up things in a rat room. It's not like they go, hey, let's invent a hoover for rat people. But this is a very, very good hoover. I am, for the money I've spent on it, I'm very, very impressed with it.